With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, you are given a reaction sequence here in which a benzene is converted to a compound with two double bonds. Then when H2 is added, one double bond. When H2 is added, all the double bonds are gone, right? So basically hydrogenation reaction is taking place here and the steps are divided as E1, E2 and E3, which means that E1 is the energy required in step 1, E2 is the energy required in step 2 and E3 is the energy required in step 3. Okay, so you have to give the relationship between the activation energies. It means that you have to arrange them in the decreasing order actually. Okay, so if you talk about the first one, now this is an aromatic compound, right? Benzene is an aromatic compound. It consists of resonance, right? Resonance takes place here. If you talk about benzene, these are the three triple bonds, right? So resonance takes place here, shifting of bonds takes place here, so it is very, very stable, right? It is an aromatic compound. Resonance takes place here, so this is a very, very stable compound. So when you're adding hydrogen to a very, very stable compound, a large amount of energy will be required to break the aromaticity, right? So in the initial step, large amount of energy is required. It means that E1 is very high. Right, E1 is going to be very high. The activation energy for first step is going to be very, very high because you are hydrogenating an aromatic compound, right? An aromatic compound which is very, very stable, which is the resonance is stabilized. You are adding hydrogen to that. You are destroying the aromaticity. So large amount of energy will be required to do that. Okay. Now for each successive steps, energy will not be that vigorous, right? The energy required for the first step is going to be very, very vigorous, which is also going to be the rate determining step of this reaction, right? And this is also going to be a very, very slow step because it is going to take a long time to break the bond and to add hydrogen to it, okay, to destroy the aromaticity. So large amount of energy will be required in the first step, so even is going to be very, very large, whereas in the successive steps the energy required will be not as much, right? Because now you're simply adding a hydrogen molecule and there's no resonance that is taking place, right? So here still we have some kind of resonance, right? Some kind of shifting of bonds is taking place, so energy required will be less than E1. Whereas if you talk about E3, now here no resonance is there, right? No resonance is taking place here, no shifting of bonds is taking place, so E3 will be the least. So the correct order of the activation energies will be E1 greater than E2 greater than E3, right? So this is the relationship between the activation energies. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.